Have clients on retainer or subscription services? Stop recreating the same invoice every month. Recurring invoices in FreshBooks automate your predictable billing. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Create an invoice as you normally would. Before sending, click Make Recurring. Set the frequency, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Choose the start date and whether it should repeat a set number of times or go on indefinitely. You can choose to have FreshBooks automatically send it and charge a saved credit card, or just send it for you to review first. My crucial pro tip: add a stop date for project-based retainers. If you have a 6-month project retainer, set the recurring invoice to stop after 6 occurrences. This prevents awkward conversations about accidental billing after the project ends and automates the wind down. Set your predictable income on autopilot and focus on delivering the work. What's your most common type of recurring invoice? Retainers, subscriptions, or rent? For more guides on business automation, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.